name is Nikia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. If you're interested in home decor ideas, organizational tips, and planning and productivity strategies, you're at the right channel. So go ahead and subscribe so you can stay updated. So on this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to keep your tossed pillows looking fabulous, especially if you have pets or children or a spouse. So we're going to just go ahead and get started. Let's jump right in. Okay, let's get started. Have you ever been to someone's home and they had like beautiful pillows like this, or just something that was just beautifully stuffed and the color was vibrant, and you're thinking, wow, how do they keep their pillows looking fabulous without fingerprints or ketchup stains or dog hair or things like that? Well, I'm going to give you the 3 tips of what they probably did or what you should do. So the first thing that you can do as, a person that loves pillows, when you find the perfect pillow, just buy 2. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of ridiculous to buy 2 instead of 1, but for example, so this sofa right here, if this was in your main living room, and you really like the way it was set up with, the pillows and this pillow, and you wanted to keep it like that, just, buy 2. So that way you can have one that the family can, lay their heads on, or just kind of the kids throwing at each other and fighting. And then when it is destroyed or not the best use, you can bring out the other ones if you want to keep that look. Okay, number 2. This is what I do personally because I have all of the above. So what I do in my living room, because right now we're in my workshop, which I primarily use just for videos and things like that. And this is kind of like my she shed. And I will actually do a video if you guys want to see this area. Just kind of leave a comment below if this is even something you're interested in. This room was actually my son's room before he went to college, so I converted it into a workspace room for me. But anywho, we got off topic. What I do is I have 2 sets. So I'll have the nice, fancy, pretty ones that I only have available in companies here. And then I have a less expensive one that just kind of sits there. So it's the one that's not shaped the right way because kids have been on it when the kids watch TV or, different things like that. And they're both gold. So what it is, I have like the fancy one with the, the nice beading that's gold. And then I have just a regular plain gold one. So if someone does come over and I don't have a chance to swap them out really fast, it's no big deal. And when I say swap them out, I'm not saying that you have to just really, reinvent the wheel and do a whole major haul if you get company. Basically, the really nice pillows are just kind of stacked in the corner, like behind the sofa table. So if we have some really, fancy people coming over, I'll just, replace them. It takes all like 3 minutes. So I grab the few pillows, put the raggedy ones, if you want to call them, right there, and then put the pretty ones out that are nicely stuffed and fluffed. So that was number 1. And number 2, the third thing you can do is use inserts. So a lot of pillows, they come like this. And if you want to, you can use inserts, and you can take the insert or the cover out of the insert and wash it. Or you can just put a cover over the insert, and then when you're ready for a new look, you can just take that off. So there are a few little tips to keep your pillows looking fabulous at all times. So I know some of these may seem very common, but a lot of times it takes someone from the outside looking in to kind of tell you, you know what, maybe you should do A, B, and C instead of C, D, and E. So anywho, I hope you like these tips. I am really going to work on this channel, getting it up and going. I do have a goal of what we're going to do, posting 2 videos a week. I've said it. I've put it out in the universe, so hopefully it accepts it. So with that being said, please subscribe and leave a comment below, and then that'll give me the motivation to get these tips out of my head and into your computer or smartphone or whatever you have. So once again, my name is Nikia. I'm with Divine Elements of Design and Decorator's Voice. Please like and subscribe, and you can follow me everywhere on social media at Divine Elements of Design. And for tips to go into your email box, why don't you just go on over to my blog, which is Decorator's Voice. So thank you very much, and have a divine day. Goodbye.